Hi there! In today's video we're gonna be working on the Allen Scythe, the model TS, and in today's video we're gonna be learning how to change the spark plug cable. The reason I need to change it because obviously the previous owner has done some kind of I don't know, he just wired it like that, which is not good, and on the other side the complete part is missing, so obviously that's not good. Okay, so now we're gonna change it with this cable. Okay, so as you can see, this one is capped, so we can plug it nicely here, and on the other end we've got this. So it doesn't matter which model of Allen Scythe you have, all the cables are the same. Okay, it's the same thing. So where do we fit that cable? Okay, if you look here, there's that part, okay, and it gets fitted here at the back. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see it from with the camera, but it's right here at the back. Okay, so there's no need to remove the exhaust. You can remove it if you want, but there's no need. Okay, usually the cable is cut here, the old one, and that part stays inside. So if it's still inside, remove it, and then we fit the new one. Okay, to fit the new one, you just place it under the exhaust, you place it inside, and you screw it. Very easy. Okay, now be careful because obviously the part that we screw is plastic, so obviously you don't want to over tighten, you want to go lightly. What you can do as well to help you, this part you can turn it, and this will help you screw it. Okay, screw the cable. Okay, so we go for it. Nearly done. Okay, that's good. Okay, so you tighten it nicely with your fingers, but without over tightening. Okay, and that's it. Nice done. Okay, now comes the time to plug it on the spark plug, and that's it. But look here we got a thin bit. Okay, so I recommend to have something wider like this one. Okay, because this plugs much better. Okay, you got a better contact. Okay, those two spark plugs are old ones, and this one is a bit peculiar. Okay, see, it's got 3 bits, but it works well. So it's possible as well to remove this and place it there, and that's it. But if you got a thin bit, as I say, place this, and that's it. You connect it. Okay. If you have to clean the spark plug as well, well, obviously do it. If you got this, make sure you got just a nail of space, and that will be it. Okay, this is today's video. I hope that you have liked it, and stay tuned for other ones on this machine. Okay, see ya.